Hey guys, I'm back for a Temu review of a perfume and an unboxing. This one's Candy by Sarah, and I really like it. I tried it last night. It has awesome staying power. It is a sweet but not gourmand scent. It's a sweet and elegant scent where the throw is there and the staying power is there. But it's definitely not a gourmand, but it smells really good. I like it. And I feel like the Middle Eastern perfumes are the only ones that really have staying power like that. Let's open this one. This is like a Fleur dupe. Let's see how it is. The Heavy Cream by Flat P. So it's Eau de Perfume. So I think it's more of a body mist, but we shall see. And it's a 2-pack. So I did not need a 2-pack, but that's all they had available. So if it's good, I'll put it in the contest box. I'm not gonna send you a crappy product. Oh wow. Okay. It's very yellow. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, is it supposed to be this color? I don't think so. I don't smell anything. This is definitely a dud. This one anyway. And I know it was only like $6. What am I expecting? But it's definitely, I do not smell heavy, nothing on here. Spray it on my denim. Nope. It's a dud. So see, you get some and you definitely win some and you definitely lose some. Hold on.